Welcome back to my channel. This is Engineer Giacomo, and yesterday when I went in the bulk recycling area of my community, I saw one of those fans, a Lasko super fan. Looked good, it's just kind of dirty. So I plugged it in, was working but barely blowing any air. So let me show you how to make sure it's clean inside, because there's the problem with the blower wheel. So there is 3 screws, I already removed it, holding this. There's my grill. And there is a squirrel cage inside. The squirrel cage, as you can see, is completely blocked, so no air is going through. So really, this is why it wasn't really working. Now, it's all together by a little key. You need a wrench, an X key, number 4 to 5 metric. You put inside the little hole, and you turn it, and then you loosen it by hand, and the old wheel come out. Just to make sure I clean it pretty well, I also removed the motor. The motor is held by 4 screws, as you can see, so it will give me a chance to clean the body also. This part doesn't come off, but once you wash it, it will come clean. They use rivets. So let's get going. I already cleaned the grill, by the way. The grill was pretty dirty. Now let me move my motor away. I don't want it to get water on it. And let me start with this. This is so bad. We're probably gonna need to, yeah, you see, use a screwdriver. Because just washing it is like cake tin. It's like pat air with, look like grease. Sometimes it's good to even soak it if in a big bucket if it's really bad. Oh my gosh, that's pretty crazy. I mean, how we got at this point. Okay, that's it, we got it. Let me keep going here. Now I'm taking the squirrel cage, and so I use a 4 metric X key. Say it's 5.4 is weird. That's from Harbor Freight. I paid like $4 or $5 for the old kit. So I lose the little nut there, as you can see it, and then the whole thing pull out. And once you put it back, don't forget one side of this is like slotted, the other side is like AC blowers. So you know, you see the way it's shaped, like almost 3 sides around. One side is kind of flat, so you can put the screw right on it. You know, that's the only way it won't move. And then you tighten it up, you kind of balance it. But that's it. I'm gonna clean the inside too. It's gonna be like brand new, and technically it was just dumped because of that. The whole thing no more than 30 minutes, and to buy one of those is like $120. That's how much they are. Okay, let me get working on it. Back together. Ooh, somebody will come out of it. Let me dry the cage. It's pretty foolproof. Okay, now we got it. Put back the motor. The motor goes on the side with 4 screws. Cannot go anywhere else. That's where the cord goes. So like I say, it's pretty foolproof. That's it. There is a couple little things I'm going to clean up later. Sadly, I didn't want to wash this part because I'm concerned with the water. But it's by far better than it was. I don't want water into the motor. So my screws are here. So 4 screws for the motor. I think no more than 30 minutes. Just a shame to see stuff like that throwing out. Now we put the blower wheel. So once again, the blower wheel, as you can see, the little stem, one side is flat, the other around. The bolt here, it goes where the side is flat. Oh, still a little air left. Anyway, that goes right there. That's the flat, that's the bolt. Now you push it down. Okay, that's it. Yeah, the wheel got a little tight. So you got to calculate the height. You don't want to put it too close to the motor, or it's going to touch. Actually, normally you can see the mark where it was. In this case, it was here. I'm going to use my X key. It's a metric, number 425. That's it. Make sure it's tight. You don't want it to get loose. Yeah, very tight. Okay. That's it. My wheel is okay. Spinning freely. Now that we put the grill cover, same thing. That's 3 screws. They can go only one way, by the way, like this. So there is no room for error. Screwdriver. It should blow so much better. Before it was working, making noise, but was blowing some air, but just almost nothing, like a little tiny fan. Now it's gonna be very powerful, like it should. Dogs. We got it. We need to plug it in. Of course, during this whole process, it was unplugged. Open up. Like I said, there's a Lasko Super Fan Max, but the similar process normally can be applied to other model and brands. They pretty much made the same way. This one though was very easy, user-friendly to take apart. So now let's plug it in. And it's working out. Now we're talking. As you can see, whatever junk is inside is gonna blow it out. It's so much more powerful. It has different speeds. So it's much more silent. Anyway, yeah, so always check the scroll cage, the wheel inside, see if it's dirt. They're normally the first cause of motor failure or not blowing properly. That's it. As you can see, it's pretty strong. Uh-oh. Okay, Thank you again for watching. This is Engineer Giacomo. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.